Once again, welcome to all of you. Children, here I am going to explain parts and whole chapter question answers from page number 65. Let's start. So, look here children, what is written from a part to the whole means now you have to make a whole from a part. आपको part से whole बनाना है. So here you can see in the first question what is written. This show 1 by 5 petals of a flower. Complete the flower by drawing the other petals. So children, this petal you can see here, this is 1 by 5 petals of a flower, means कि ये 5 petals में से 1 petal here we have in this figure. Okay, out of 5 petals, 1 petals is already drawn over here. Now we have to draw 4 more petals. Okay, and one more thing children, as you all know, 1 whole means 1. Okay, and when you will subtract this 1 by 5 pattern, what you all will get? You will be getting 5 minus 1 by 5, and it means 4 by 5, means you have to draw 4 more petals out of 5 petals. So here you can see I have drawn 4 more petals, and this is the answer of A part. Okay, and one more way to understand this thing, if you will add 1 by 5 times, you will be getting what? You will be getting 1 whole. Okay, so you can see here I have written, and here your answer will be 1 whole. This and this will cut, and here your answer will be 1. Now moving to the next question. Now children, look here what is written. The picture shows 1/3 of the blades of a fan. Complete the picture by drawing the other blade. So this blade, only 1/3 of the blade is present over here. You have to complete this picture. Children, here you all know, here I am writing answer B. 1/3 of the blades of a fan is shown. 1/3 means children total number of blades 3, and out of 3 blades 1 blade is shown over here. Now what we have to do children? We have to draw 2 more blades. Okay, you can see here I have written the answer. I have drawn the figure. Okay, and as you all know, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will be equal to 3 by 3, and you will be getting 1 whole. Okay, now moving to the C part, this one, question number 3rd. Half of the blades of another fan are shown here. Complete the picture by drawing the other half. So children, here you can see half of the blades of another fan are shown over here, and we have to complete the picture. And you all know half means what? Half means 1 by 2. Okay, now children, half blades you can see here, and we have to draw other half. So what we will do children? We will add again 1 by 2, and when you will add 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, again you are getting 1 whole. Okay, so in this way you have to do these questions, and here we have the figure of C part. This one is the figure of this question, 3rd question. Okay, so I am writing 3rd over here. So in this way you all have to do these questions. I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.